Stay cool.
This is a THORnews presentation. Hit the button, baby. THORnews presents. Ladies and gentlemen, it started as some solar trees, then became a sun forest. Now, it's a full Jurassic Park. Welcome to THORnews Sun Science. We have a solar saurus on our hands. An enormous cloud of plasma is rotating into view over the sun's eastern limb. Astrophotographer Alan Freed calls it Solar Saurus. He took this picture from his backyard in Buffalo, New York on September 16th. Wow, that is big. The dino-shaped cloud is held above the surface of the sun by solar magnetic fields stretching more than 600,000 kilometers from end to end. It is truly enormous. That's what she said. By far the largest structure on the sun today. Astronomers call this kind of magnetized cloud a hedgerow prominence. NASA and Japanese space telescopes have taken high-resolution images of similar prominences and seen some amazing things, such as tadpole-shaped plumes that float up from the base of the prominence, narrow streams of plasma that descend from the top like waterfalls, and swirls and vortices that resemble Van Gogh's Starry Night. Yeah, and this one is giant. It's one of those things that solar science doesn't really count when it comes to solar activity, but I do. I think it's big. And we've got an increasing chance of flares from Sunspot AR2415. Sunspot AR2415 is increasingly active on September 17th and appears poised to produce a moderately strong M-class solar flare. Any eruptions today would be geo-effective because the sunspot is facing Earth. And well, that's exciting. It's that bad boy right there, I do believe. She's kind of nasty looking. Alright, so we're going to keep our eye on this sunspot, and then we're going to keep our eye on this giant dinosaur of a filament. And I gotta ask a question, that question I was used to ask. How did the Earth go from producing dinosaurs to producing human beings? Why did it just stop making one and start making the other? Wow, did you see that thing snake over? Right there. Wow, look at how crazy these magnetic loops are. Pretty frayed, it looks like. Yeah, well, the sun is not active at all. Whoa, that was from like the sun eclipse or something. I don't know. Also, on the 16th, we had a Sundiving Comet. It came from the usual comet sundiving spot and dove straight into the sun. It was a one and done. Now, professional science likes to tell us that comets and the sun don't interact with each other. But I think after years of observation, we know that is a bunch of hogwash put in a soda pop can with a fancy ribbon on it. Because clearly, the sun started to react to it before and then after. And we've seen that time and time again, haven't we, folks? Alright, so there you go. Dinosaur filament, active Earth-facing sunspot, and a sun-diving comet that backs up our comet-sun interaction theory again. What more could you ask for? I don't know, maybe better, funnier jokes, but I'm kind of down. If you enjoyed this video and want to help support my THORnews Solar Sun Science, please check out my Indiegogo page, as I'm in the middle of a fundraiser. Thank you. God bless everyone.